Yeah, you remember where we left off in the last class for our Geosearch. So this is how it looked the last time, and I recently added main.js under the JS folder. I added a jQuery folder. So inside the jQuery folder, I pasted some jQuery inside it, and I also have main.js. So this is the main.js. So this is the JavaScript that is actually supposed to help us do the search. So I will indulge you to check it out and correct it so that it can work the way you want it to work. So with the jQuery and the main.search, we can see some changes already. So our app is now able to view this Google map. If you check in the last code, we didn't have this. So check it out now. You're gonna see that we have this now. So with this, the site is taking more shape. But I would like you to work on the JS to make sure that the search is now working. So I'm gonna leave this at this for now. And the other things that we're supposed to do is to do the normal npm init. Because we're doing npm init because we're supposed to have a package.json file here, and we're supposed to do our gulp because we're supposed to host this site in the end. So we have our package.json. We'll do the gulp tags, and we also set up our bubble RC so that this can be the total website that we want. So that's what I'm going to be doing in the next class, doing the gulp and setting up the bubble RC. But let me first of all do the npm.init. So I have Geosearch. I'm going to leave the name as Geosearch version 1.0. I'm going to leave a description. I'm going to just say Geosearch. Okay, Geosearch 4. It's actually for weather. So entry point index.js, is that gonna be my entry point? I don't really have index.js here. Okay, I can modify this later. Test command, nothing. Repo, it's already there. Keywords, I'm gonna just Geosearch and Andela, and what else DevC. Okay, author, you can put your name. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the license at ISC. I'm gonna click on yes. So you can see now I have my package.json. Yeah, inside my package.json I can now fix in other things in order to enable so with this now I can install gulp and other things. So those are the things we'll be doing later, but I'm gonna quickly push it to the GitHub so that you can always access them. And to do that, I'm gonna say git add or okay, before that let me branch out. I think it's good I branch out. Let me say git checkout branch. So I'm gonna call this branch the feature. Yeah, I'm still gonna call it feature. I'm gonna call it search. It's gonna be the search feature. Okay, search, I'm gonna just call it search. Okay, so here now I'm gonna do start git add all again. So I'm gonna now do git commit, and it's gonna commit with a simple message. Simple message is this is gonna be a feature, and the simple message is gonna be your okay, search the search box or anything. So I'm gonna simply say search. So I'm gonna do this So I'm gonna say search feature. Then when I press the enter key, I'm gonna say added a search feature. Okay. Because I didn't complete it, it's not working properly. Now if you check it, it will not be working as you want, but I will have you do that to complete it. So I'm gonna say start. Then I'm gonna close this up and have it committed. So once it's done committed, I'm gonna say git push and update origin, and it's gonna be ft search ft. Once I put search, I can press the tab, it will complete for me. Then pushing from ft search to ft search. So that's what I'm gonna have. Search. I hope I'm getting the spelling of my search. So once I post this, I should be able to see it on GitHub, so that I can create a pull request and merge. So I want you to check out what I have so far and make your own improvement. The last code I'm going to be committing will have the gulp and other things. So it's left for you to make changes and make sure you're getting the right thing. So I'm going to go to GitHub. Geosearch, compare and pull request. So I'm gonna click on create pull request. Merge pull, confirm merge. Okay. So once you check the GitHub now, you'll be able to see the code. It's already here. So you can see the package.json that I just created. Okay. So you can continue from there. Please, if you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button immediately, and always give my videos thumbs up. If you think they are good enough, like and share them. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.